Hey everyone, today I'm going to share how to split screens in Adobe Premiere, how to split 3 screens, 4 screens, or random videos on one screen. First, we need to organize the videos and cut the scenes we want to place. I have these footages for my daughter and my son playing at the park. So I'm gonna select the right footage, place each clip above each other on a separate track. I'm trying to find the perfect spot to crop. Then you go to effects and look for crop and drag it to the first clip you want to use. Then in the effect control above, you go to crop and I select the left. To split the screen into 3 videos, you better crop 33% from the left and 33% from the right. Actually, it should be 33.3 if you want to be accurate. Today I'm not gonna do this. I'm going to show you the 4th screen, which is a little bit tricky. You have 25% each screen. So what I do, I take 25 off 100. So 100 minus 25 equals 75. Then I divide the 75 by 2, so I get 37.5. So I crop on each side 37.5 from the left and 37.5 from the right, and here I can get the size for 4 screens. And here I'm going to position it. I drag it to the left and then I can work on other videos. Same thing, you can copy the crop effect and paste it on the second clip. Same thing, 37.5 on the left and 37.5 on the right. But here, I guess we need to adjust more on the left and take out more from the right. So I did like 47.5 and 27.5. I drag it next to the first clip. Copy and paste the crop effect again. You can right click copy and right click paste on the effect control. Same thing here. I recommend always play the videos while using the crop effects because sometimes you crop in the wrong position by mistake, so always make sure it's the right spot. So here I'm gonna also adjust it to 37.5 and 37.5 and drag it, reposition it. Yep, it looks perfect like this. And the last one, you don't need to crop it, you just put it as a first layer, so you center the scene you want or the object you want. After that, I'm going to use the rectangle tool. So we select rectangle tool from the tools menu and we drag along rectangle and we go to the properties of it, essential graphics, and change the color to white. You can adjust the thickness, the position. You can copy and paste. Make sure to select an empty space on the timeline. Drag the position, copy paste, and move it to a new track. And here we go. This is the first one done. And now with the diagonal middle screen, we're gonna go to effects, and video effects, go to transitions and look for linear wipe. Drag it to the first clip and go to completion and adjust the percentage to like 28%, and the wipe angle you can also do it. We're gonna copy this and paste it and change the wipe angle. So if I put like 140 there, 320 on the other, minus 140 there, and minus 320 degree on the other one, you can play around with it and see what best for you. So I'm gonna drag this one that I applied the effect above the other videos and put other videos behind it. And now I'm gonna play around with it and select the angle I want. So always make sure to watch the video while applying any effects. Always go to the timeline and move around the video to see if the effects working good for you or not, and always change the numbers, play with the numbers. I'm going to adjust this video position and scale it a little bit. Make sure not to leave any blank spot. Alright, it looks good, so I'm gonna drag the third video and place it in the middle on the timeline. And also adjust the position and scale it. So I need to crop this too, so I can apply the same effect. And adjust the angle. So play around with it and until you get the scene you want. I'm going to show you how to add a line. Instead of using the triangle, you can use the pen tool. So select the pen tool and draw a line. You can press there and here. That's a line ready. You can adjust the stroke or the color, and if it's look good, we can draw another line. So select the pen tool and draw another line. Yep, and that's it. And that's the video. The second video is ready with the diagonal screen. And now for the random screens, go to effects and search for radial wipe. Drag it to the scene and go to the effects, transition completion, and adjust the percentage here. So here you should go to the wipe and select both clockwise and counterwise. So adjust the numbers to the angle you want. I'm going to create something random, like a random design. So I'm gonna crop it from the top and from the side. You can adjust the start angle. And move the wipe center. Then move the whole clip and position it. Alright, so make sure always to play your scene and see if it's well cropped or not. So I'm gonna drag the second clip above and choose the radial wipe. Same thing, adjust the transition and the start angle, and you can center the wipe to a different place from the screen. You can move it around. So I always select this. It's easier for me to get a better design, a better crop from both sides. And also you can use these for transitions. I'm going to make a video later for how to use these for transition. And also you can add the feather to make a soft edges. So adjust this. Yep, so I'm going to drag it, resize it, and you can place it behind that one. It's a little bit tricky when you want to adjust the corners, but you get a very nice design. Now I'll drag the third video, same thing, apply the effects and choose both sides. Adjust the transition completion. This one I'm gonna do one angle, no, I'll do counterwise, same thing. So both. Keep playing around until you get the scene you want. Now I'm gonna drag the third video and put it in the first layer, first track. Alright, there we go. And now again with the pen tool, I'm gonna add lines. So select the pen tool and click and drag. So this is the first line. Select the pen tool. Make sure to place your mouse on an empty space on the timeline before using the pen tool for the second time, so you will get a separate line. So I press on the empty space and then select the pen tool again. Yep. Remember, you can also adjust the lines that you just drew. You can adjust the anchor point or adjust the position so it can match the corner. So I guess that's it. So now you can adjust the length of the videos, make all of them match. And now I want to render, go sequence, render into out. And here we go. Have random screens playing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.